I just figured I'd throw this in there real quick, guys. To drain this, you have to have this off. Then you get a plastic thing once you take this clamp here, because that's where this hose went into there. You don't want to break this, because if you do break this, you just have to take this off and remove it. But once you get that thing, you pry it apart. Then you get another extra fuel line if you have an extra, or any line hose. You put it there, you turn it on. Make sure it's angled this way, because you see there is a bevel, so the gas is gonna. And then you just run this generator. After all the gas is out, then you just run this generator until it runs out of gas that's in the carburetor. And that's how you safely remove all the gas, so the carburetor and stuff does not go bad in your electric generator. And as long as you use this, there will be no spillage of gas, because you see how the gas stops. And then so if this milk carton was to fill up, and then you see how the gas goes again. So that will prevent any spillage on the machine or in the ground.